If you're anything like my other half, you'll try and take everything bar the kitchen sink on every camping trip. And there's been times where we've needed just that, a kitchen sink. Well, now you can have just that. ARB's Slide Kitchen. Having the slide out kitchen fitted to the back of your vehicle will make packing easier and cooking a little more gourmet. It's 1250mm long with a full stainless steel bench, utensils drawer, and the best bit, a swing away 3-burner with a spot for, you guessed it, the kitchen sink. The Slide Kitchen is currently available in a 1355mm length drawer. It's designed to suit all dual cabs, and we can do custom installs for troopies, trailers and campers. As for the specs, well, the stove has your standard bayonet fitting on the back and gives 6 kilowatts of cooking power. The bigger high-speed burner can hold your average medium-sized pans, and the 2 smaller burners are good for smaller pans. The kitchen grade stainless has been sunken to act as a wind protector, but if the wind were to blow out your flame, the stove has flame out technology, so it will automatically cut the gas. Same with the glass lid, close it and it will instantly kill the gas. As for that kitchen sink, you can store it in the drawer because of its collapsible silicone, and when it's not being used as a sink, it can double as a drying rack. It has a decent sized drawer to fit all your cooking gear, and it wouldn't be a full home away from home kitchen if you didn't have all this space to prep. The beauty of this unit is its versatility, along with how well it integrates with other ARB products. The Slide Kitchen opens to the left, so when you pull over, it's away from the road. It's one of those designs that you can use the whole kit or just keep it simple. Doing a full feast for the family, the complete setup would be the way to go. Or if you're on the fishing trip and need a filleting bench or space to prep some lunch, you can just pull out the bench. Not bad. In 30 seconds, you've got yourself a freestanding kitchen. On this setup, we've gone with a 60-litre Elements fridge on top of a full-height ARB drawer, which is being used as our pantry. And when the kitchen is fully set up, you still have access to the fridge. That's the other thing. If you've already got ARB modular drawers, you can replace an existing one with the kitchen or order the complete setup. And for those trips where you don't need the Slide Kitchen, you can swap out the slide for an accessory drawer to give you more storage space. So next time you're in a rush to get food started and dread having to pull the car apart to pull a table and stove out, you might want to consider the ARB Slide Kitchen. For more info and a closer look at setups like this, visit your local ARB store.